JD with Online Resources, here to talk about the Hexagon 3D scanning systems. One of the features I wanted to discuss was really for sheet metal or other thin parts where you really need to collect an edge or something on the top of the surface. So this is called the whole flash detection or the edge detection. And what it's doing is, instead of using that STL data to really try and extract or interpolate that circle, we're able to use the two cameras kind of as a vision system or an optical comparator and place that entity right on the edge where it's needed. And same thing, we'll be able to use a single laser line and place an edge right on the blended surface here, where we can dump those into our inspection file as separate entities or separate files and do the inspection there. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm going to start with just showing you the hand controls. So if I double click the back of the scanner and go into scan group and scan surface, we'll just go ahead and start by collecting that surface data, just so we kind of know where we are in space. This also allows us, if we have any surface profile callouts on this part, to have that. The next thing we're going to do is just go into the whole flash capture. So this is going to be getting those circles, slots, things like that. So I'll click on that button and start the scanner up again, and you can see it just starts to come alive. So we'll go ahead and get the circles and slots that we need, and they just come alive there. And we'll go ahead and be done. And then you can see that those are now actual entities that we can drop into the inspection software. And then if we go up to the edge detection, just toggle the one above it, we can now pick up these kind of blended surfaces or trim lines. So let's go ahead and start there, and you can see I just move along that trim edge and collect that surface, or really it's not a surface, but collect that edge. So this is very nice feature, especially like in your inspection software if you have a specific call out on that edge. And you can see as I'm doing it, the yellow is where I've collected data, but it's not a full data set. And then the green is where I have my confidence that I have enough data to really do an inspection on that edge there. So that is pretty much it for those two parts. So right away, if I zoom out, we can see all of those pieces of information on that part, and it's ready to just dump right into our inspection system and do what needed to be done. So these are some of the features we are going to be showcasing on the different handheld systems from Hexagon. Definitely follow us, and we'll be doing more of these tips and tricks in the future, and love to hear from you. So thanks for watching.